Hi everyone, I'm Tim, and today we're going to look at a conservation of energy question, which is a very common question and a very powerful approach to tackling a lot of different questions in physics. So a key rule of the universe is that energy always has to be conserved. And in QCE Physics, we generally look at this in regards to types of energy like kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. So with a roller coaster question like this, which is quite common, we can solve it using the conservation of energy. So in a question such as this, the total amount of energy must always be conserved, but it can change between different types of energy, such as gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy. So we know that gravitational potential energy is equal to mass times gravity times height, or mgh. And then we also know that kinetic energy is equal to half times mass times the velocity squared. So at the top of the roller coaster, up here, the cart will have a lot of gravitational potential energy because it is quite high off the ground, but it will have no or little kinetic energy at this stage. However, when it reaches the bottom of the roller coaster, down here, we're going to have our maximum kinetic energy because we're going to have little or no gravitational potential energy because the cart is on or very close to the ground. So it's at this point that our maximum speed is going to occur. If our cart then travels upwards a little bit to this position, we're going to have more gravitational potential energy and less kinetic energy. And this is a very powerful approach to tackling questions such as this because as long as we know the height, and we know the velocity and the mass of the cart, then we can calculate the total energy that the cart has at the top of the roller coaster, and therefore we can continue to calculate, for example, its maximum speed when it's at the bottom of the roller coaster, because we know that the total amount of energy has to be conserved. So it's a really powerful approach for a lot of different physics questions, and hopefully you have some luck with it.